on January 11th, 2018 at 7:02 in the morning. After 16 months of infertility, I fell to my knees on the bathroom floor sobbing. All I could manage to get out were the words, "It worked." That was the morning I got to tell my husband that he was going to be a dad. My name is Dr. Jennifer Hinchy, and I am the CEO and founder of PherDal Fertility Science. Like most companies, PherDal was started as a way to solve a problem. I have my PhD in biology and my husband is a mechanical engineer. We were diagnosed with unexplained infertility. It was hard for me to hear that I was infertile. Our next option we were given was to try 3 months of intrauterine insemination, or IUI. That wouldn't be covered by insurance. So instead I dug into the scientific research, and what I found out is there's an alternative called intracervical insemination, or ICI. The physical difference between IUI and ICI is really only this distance. And so what happens with PherDal is instead of going into the uterus, you're actually depositing the semen at the opening of the cervix. As a scientist, I knew the importance of aseptic technique, and I couldn't find anything on the market that was sterile and made for intracervical insemination. So instead, I invented what is now known as the PherDal kit. A recent study found no difference in the live birth rate between IUI and ICI like the PherDal kit offers. My hypothesis is that PherDal works because it bypasses anatomical as well as bacterial conditions to get the sperm closer to the egg. After 2 months using the PherDal kit, our daughter Lois, who's now 3.5, was conceived. I named my company PherDal because I took my infertility diagnosis, used my PhD, and became fertile. 1 in 5 women aged 15 to 44 years have difficulty conceiving after 1 year of trying. On top of that, many people also struggle to even afford the services fertility clinics offer. Recently, the second fertile baby was born, and the mother FaceTimed me from the hospital, and it was one of the most amazing experiences of my life. According to a recent study, infertility is increasing by 5 to 10% per year. We think people need access to safe, sterile fertility options to try in the privacy of their own homes. I didn't know what would happen last year when I started this company, but after our proof of concept kits sold out, in my view, that demonstrated a need in the market and also fueled me to want to help more people. In the next 3 to 5 years, we anticipate PherDal being available in local pharmacies across North America and Europe, potentially providing a safe, sterile option for everyone. We have already engaged with the United States FDA to initiate the pre-market submission process. And with that, we anticipate having PherDal cleared via 510(k) pre-market notification by the end of 2022. We believe our patent is on track to be awarded this fall, putting us in the position we feel to potentially disrupt the 2023 market with our anticipated, patented, FDA-cleared, over-the-counter medical device. Invest today and help us build families through science.